How long have you been serving as a security guard?
September coming 24 years.
Nah, give up my 28 years of service.
Beyond Davis of Guardsman Limited. I've been with the company for 15 years and 10 months.
What is happening here today shouldn't be happening, because those workers who refused, who correctly, in my view, failed to sign. And let me just read some of the things that the company is asking the workers to sign. For example, I hereby confirm that I have no pending claims, proceedings or disputes with you of any nature whatsoever, and that I waive any claims or disputes that I could have. I unconditionally release and discharge you from all past liabilities to the full extent possible under law. That is why we are here, because the guards are saying if they sign this, the years of service, the vacation leave, those who get injured on the job and have pending claims, etc., etc., all of that gone.
I'm not signing it. Sign away my years of service? No. Because vacation leave, which I have not taken, it's only if something happens to me on the job, I get pay for sick leave. Yeah, so I'm not signing away those.
I'm working with Marksman from the 4th of September 1992. This year has put me 31 here.
Conrad Thompson. I work with Marksman Limited for the past 28 years. And recently, they sent us some contracts that we must sign. When I read the contract, I saw some clause in it stating that I have no benefit in it. And first and foremost, the contract you are to sign is for 1 year. And you cannot be an employer and have a contract for you to sign for 1 year. So I'm asking authorities, Mr. Kasamuda, come out and talk about these things. He's sleeping, he's not saying anything about what is happening. Nothing he's saying, right? I go to work Tuesday, they turn me home, so I mustn't take up duty because I didn't sign the contract, this worker contract. If I don't sign the contract, I can't go to work. Right now I have email on my phone for a Rasta to go to work tonight, and I'm not going because I don't want to waste my time and my money go to work and them send me one back. And I think this is unfair and victimized. So Mr. Nicholas Benjamin, Mr. Wolverton, George Wolverton, we need to come out and do something. We cannot sit and do this thing. Security, it is wickedness. 28 years, I'm going to my family with nothing.
What we need? Justice. When we need it? No.
And the morning to wake up, Radam.
You're sleeping. You're sleeping. We need justice.
We have been treating so unfairly. I went to work this morning and they took me off the location, saying that because I don't sign the new contract, they can't allow me to work. After I've been getting 1-1 duty, as they are forcing us to sign the contracts they have, they said they cannot accommodate us. As a matter of fact, me on the location. So I'm here protesting for my rights because they want us to sign away our rights. Nothing from before coming forward. They want to start everything from the 1st of April. And we can't afford that. We can't afford that. We are coming from too far. We're gonna lose everything. Give us what we need. Give us what we are supposed to get.
What do you want?
Well, they're supposed to pay us for our vacation leave, a time and a half, and our years of service. You're supposed to get paid for that. And that's what we are here about.
Justice we want, justice we need, justice we are look.
Since the court ruling on September 23rd, 2022, we have been told we were getting retroactive money, and since when November came, we were told to wait until April 1st. Now when February came, we were told via email that we'll be getting new contract, and a list of 1 to 24 items were on the paper for the new contract. However, I feel victimized about it because it's a way of forcing to sign the new contract. Because till January or February, when Minister Nigel Clark mentioned that all security companies must have the guards be on staff because of the government contract, that's where they rush in March until April 1st to get us to sign, which I refuse to sign.
The workers have been meeting with the Ministry of Labour officials, senior officials of the ministry. I thought I could make an input to have this matter resolved in a fair and honest way, but the minister said I can't participate. But I just want to put the present situation in context. First, I don't think this should be happening because this is not new to the security guard industry. It's not new. It's not a new situation to what has been happening in Jamaica, in industries, whether it's hotel, what have you. In fact, I have here with me a document dated 26 June 2001. It was addressed to a security guard by the name of Michael Chambers. And I just read what it says. Dear Mr. Chambers, Dual Security Limited and Marksman Limited will be merged as one entity to be known as Marksman Limited. The merger will take effect on July the 1st, 2001. We hereby confirm that your employment will continue with Marksman Limited under the same terms and conditions as prevail with Dual Security Limited. Importantly, hear this. Your years of service will be treated as unbroken. To indicate your agreement to the foregoing, please sign and return the attached copy of this letter on the private and confidential cover at your earliest convenience to the undersigned. Kind regard, yours sincerely, Dual Security Limited, Major Philip Campbell, Managing Director. Alcan Jamaica Limited, when they were bought by a company called Glencore and later by UC Rusal Alumina Jamaica Limited, a letter was sent to the workers saying that your service continue. Because there's two things you can do. You can either transfer the service to the new company or you pay the workers notice and redundancy pay for their years of service.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!